This tool is great for acrylic painters. It's a mist sprayer. Barbers use it all the time, and it creates very small particles of water. You can use it to keep your canvas and your paint moist for a very long time. We all know acrylics dry really fast. It all depends on surrounding factors as well, of course. The humidity and the temperatures, and if there's wind and stuff like that. But generally speaking, you can say that after 15 minutes it's that dry, so dry that you cannot paint wet in wet anymore. And of course you can also use it on your palette, but keep a distance, don't make it too wet, just make it slightly moist, that's enough. So that way it doesn't affect your the opacity of your paint, it's just to keep it a little bit moist. And here you see me painting a sphere to illustrate. A sphere is a difficult thing because when you want to paint wet in wet, and wet in wet is difficult with acrylics. You have to keep it moist. But I just build up my painting and I take some distance and spray a little bit of mist on the painting and on the palette. And this way I just can paint wet in wet. It almost feels the same as oils. And I recommend not doing this for whole paintings. When you make a whole painting very smooth and with all kinds of smooth transitions, that can become very boring, of course. And also keep in mind that paintings are viewed from a distance, usually. So transitions don't always have to be that smooth. But sometimes at some spots it's nice to have smooth transitions. For example, here I wanted to make a very smooth sky with a little bit clouds, but very smooth, and to make that more contrasting with the foreground, so that the foreground pops out, stands out more. So that's the way I would use it. Not too much, but for some instances it's really helpful. Thanks for watching, see you next time.